I would like to quote Albert Einstein. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. No doubt the current knowledge and trends are important to study, but the real task for academicians is to imagine future trends and bring it to the reality. We sincerely hope that all will benefit and the new relationship will be generated as a result of meeting at this conference. For many years, FTMS has had the intention of undertaking research and of hosting a conference. Today we have a campus and the facilities which are conducive to the undertaking of research activities and for the hosting of a conference. Therefore, we are extremely proud to be the first private college in Malaysia to host an international conference. We received more than 200 abstracts and review committee selected 160 abstracts for full papers review. We received 158 full papers, out of which the committee selected 132 papers. Finally, the conference received the participation from 132 lead authors and 92 co-authors for the oral presentation today and tomorrow, and poster presentation and presentation in absentia. The committee selected 25 papers for publication in our first international journal in the area of computing and business, and the rest of the papers for publication in proceedings in 2 volumes. I am proud to inform that we have over including myself presenting their research papers, and also our FTMS, our student, 12 master's students presenting their papers in these 2 days of the conference. I take this opportunity to say thank you to the dignitaries, representatives from the Ministry of Information, Communication and Culture, Professor Dato Dr. Halima, Professor Dr. Andrew Chema, Dr. Achushankar Resnaya, who despite their busy schedule have made time to attend this conference. I also take this opportunity to say thank you to all members of the team for their efforts and the authors and the presenters for their contribution, especially the keynote speakers. There is also the need for support and guidance from the outside bodies. In this respect, I give the sincere thanks to Ministry of Higher Education and Ministry of Science and Technology, and in association with our conference, Anglia Ruskin University, for their support given.